here. I'm wondering who our next mystery guest is. There's Tam. Okay, good. All right, we're on. Come on, Tam. Come on, get in here and show us what you got here. He's going to tell us about the Friends Brain Band. Brain Band. He's wearing it. Look at that's the brain band he's wearing.
Hey, hello
right
there.
now.
Hey, yeah.
I love it. Tell us all
Thank you.
about it.
Yeah, this is Earable Neuroscience. We're here to introduce the world's first brain band, the world's first ever brain band that would improve the brain's function, starting from sleep to focus to relaxation. What it does is that it will send out personalized audio information and content such as cognitive behavior therapy, relaxation therapy, so that it could help you to sleep faster, have a better focus, and have a better relaxation. The key here is that it can capture brain signal, eye signal, muscle signal, head motion, heart rate, SpO2 oxygen level, and also the sounds coming from your head, so that it knows how your body and your brain is responding to the stimulation. So it knows what to say, and when not to say something, so that it will generate personalized content to help you to sleep faster, sleep deeper, wake up feeling refreshed, right? So we won the CES Innovation Awards and also have been featured in Bloomberg and many other outlets. So the product is now readily available for people to order.
Amazing. And is it comfortable? It looks comfortable.
It is extremely comfortable. It's made for people to sleep with it. The key is that we have a bone conduction speaker going right above your ear so that you can lay down on it when you're sleeping. And during that time, it will generate personalized content so that you feel you're smoothly going into sleep.
That is amazing. Real quick, before I let you go, how can we get it, and is it available now? Or
yeah, it is already readily available online, so you can go online to earable.ai and place the order right now.
Earable.ai.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Great. Well, we'll check that out. That's some next level stuff.
Thank you. Yeah, it is features, and it recognized to be one of the disruption in sleep technology in 2023. Okay. Hopefully we can help people to sleep better, a little bit more relaxed, and have better focus during the day. Thank you.
Well, that's going to be great, and I wish you all the best, and have a great show.
Thank you so much.
All right, Happy New Year.
You too,
Thank you. Thanks, Tam. Yeah. All right, that was Tam with the Earable Friends Brain Brand. Excuse me, I keep saying brain brand, it's brain band.